Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Myself, Hitesh Gidwani, your chemistry teacher. Today we will discuss the remaining chapter of importance of chemistry. On the last time we have discussed that importance of chemistry in different fields. Two fields were left: electronics and space technology. In electronics, chemistry has provided us research in chemistry has provided us a variety of material such as germanium and silicon. Germanium silicon, which are basically used for making diodes, and diodes are the basic of electric circuit in radios, calculators, computers, television, etc. Again I am repeating what kind of role chemistry has played in the field of electronics. It has provided, research in chemistry has provided a variety of material like germanium and silicon, which are semiconductors and are used for making diodes, and diodes are the basic of electric circuits in radio, television, computers, television, etc. Next field in which chemistry has played a vital role is space technology. The present day space technology is the direct result of production of better fuels, better and powerful fuels. Why the present day space technology is useful for us? Because we have been able to produce better and good quantity of fuels. It is the result of these fuels that we have been able to launch space satellites. Now today we will discuss about the next topic. It is importance of some important lab apparatus which are used in chemistry lab. So first important lab apparatus, test tube. It is also known as boiling gas test tube, boiling glass test tube, or hard glass test tube. Okay, why it is known as? Because test tubes are used for heating on the flame. And what is test tube? Basically, test tubes are made from different size and variety of material. A test tube which is used for heating liquids on flame, heating that liquids on flame, is known as boiling test tube or hard glass test tube. It is made from a special class of glass, Pyrex glass. Okay, test tubes are used for holding chemicals when they are heated directly on the flame. Test tubes are of various size and are made from different kind of material. A test tube which is used to heat directly liquids on the flame is made from a special kind of material known as Pyrex glass. Now we will discuss about test tube holder. It is an iron tongue. With a plastic or wooden handle. It is used for holding a test tube when it is heated. Next important lab apparatus we will discuss is test tube stand. Test tube stand. After this we will discuss round bottom flask. Test tube stand is a stand with a plastic or wooden handle. A test tube is a stand which is made from plastic or wood. It is used for holding test tubes in position. It is made from plastic or wood. It is used for holding test tubes in position. Next apparatus which we will discuss is round bottom flask. It is made from glass with a spherical bulb, means it has a spherical shape of bulb. It is used for heating liquids. Okay, it has a cylindrical neck also. It is a round bottom flask made from glass, has cylindrical neck, neck, and it is used for heating liquids. Next type of vessels which we will discuss is flat bottom flask. A flat bottom flask is used for storing and mixing chemicals. The difference between round bottom flask and a flat bottom flask is only this, that it has a flattened base. It has a flattened base. So round bottom flask and the flat bottom flask has only one difference, that it has a flattened base and it is used for storing chemicals. It is also made from glass, has a cylindrical neck. Okay, the rest of the part we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, and go through these topics given the